How to make money in GTA 5 Online. Making money in GTA 5 Online can be an exciting venture, and with the right strategies, you can maximize your earnings. Here are some tips to help you make money in the game. 1. Complete missions. Engage in various missions available in the game, such as contact missions, heists, or the story mode missions. These missions offer decent payouts and can be completed solo or with a group of friends. 2. Participate in races. Take part in races, both land and air, to earn money and unlock vehicle upgrades. Winning races will reward you with cash and reputation points, allowing you to progress and earn even more. 3. Invest in properties. As you accumulate wealth, consider investing in properties such as apartments, garages, or businesses. These investments generate regular income over time, adding to your overall earnings. 4. Engage in the stock market. Utilize the in-game stock market to your advantage. Pay attention to the news and invest wisely in various stocks. Keep an eye on the market trends to buy low and sell high, making substantial profits. 5. Participate in heists. Join forces with other players to plan and execute heists. These complex and thrilling missions offer substantial payouts, especially if completed successfully. Communication and teamwork are key to success in heists. 6. Run businesses. Purchase and manage businesses such as nightclubs, biker gangs, or CEO organizations. These ventures can generate passive income, but they may require initial investments and regular maintenance. 7. Sell stolen vehicles. Steal high-end vehicles and sell them to Los Santos Customs or specialized vehicle shops. Ensure the vehicle is in good condition and undamaged to receive the maximum payout. 8. Engage in VIP work. If you have enough funds, become a VIP or CEO to access VIP work. These missions offer lucrative payouts and can be completed solo or with a group of associates. 9. Participate in the Diamond Casino. Visit the Diamond Casino and take part in various gambling activities, such as slot machines, roulette, or blackjack. While this method may involve some risk, you have a chance to win substantial amounts of money. 10. Take advantage of double money events. Keep an eye on the weekly updates and events in GTA 5 Online. Rockstar often introduces double money events for specific missions, races, or activities. Take advantage of these opportunities to earn more cash. Remember, making money in GTA 5 Online requires time, effort, and strategic planning. Experiment with different methods and find the ones that suit your playstyle and preferences. With persistence and smart decision-making, you can build a fortune in the virtual world of Los Santos. Thanks for watching.